Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you a quick tutorial on how to fix an error message that I've just gotten recently. So I went into my single player worlds and I tried to go on this world that I made called Creative Maze, and I was building like a temple in here, and it says errors and currently selected data packs prevented the world from loading. You can either try to load it with the only vanilla data pack safe mode, or go back to the title screen and fix it manually. So I go to load it in safe mode and it says failed to load world in safe mode. This world contains invalid or corrupted save data, and then the only option is to go back to the title screen. So that's not good, because it means all of my builds in that world are now inaccessible to me. But I found a solution. So what you do, I already made a world called Creative Maze 2, but what you do is go create new world. You just set the settings to whatever it was. My one's creative with create cheats on, you just hit create world and it would make a new world for you. So what you do after that is you have to transfer the region data from the old world into the new blank world. So what you do to do that is hit Windows key and R, which will bring up this run menu here, and we're going to type percentage app data percentage and hit enter, and that is going to bring up the .minecraft or the Minecraft .minecraft location. We're going to click on .minecraft, then this is going to go into the game's files, and we're going to scroll down past resource packs to saves. So we're looking for saves. It's in alphabetical order, so you just scroll down until you hit S and you'll go saves, and you click in here and you have to select the world which has the same data. So for example, these worlds haven't been changed, but if you change the name of the world later, it won't change the name in the save folder. So you're looking for the name underneath the name. Underneath the main name is another name of what the actual save file is called. So for example, this one, Creative Maze, was the world that is corrupted and I can't get into it. But we can get all the builds that we've made in this world back. So what we're going to do is we're going to go copy, we're going to select the region folder. So click on the world that you want to restore that you can't access. So click on that folder and then click on the region folder and right click and go copy. And then I'm just going to put this down here, and I'm just going to paste the region folder onto the desktop here. So now I've got the region folder on the desktop. And then we're going to go, I've already done this, but you're going to do this. So you go into the next world which you've just made. So the one I made was Creative Maze 2. And what we would do is take the region folder out of the new world. And we may have to, yes, never mind. They're just giving me an error because they're both named the same thing. So we can just rename this folder region 1 just for time being. We can drag this folder out here and we can delete this folder. So we're going to delete the region folder out of the new world. Then we're just going to rename this region folder back to just being named region. We probably could have just clicked delete, but this is how we're doing it. So we drag the new region folder from the corrupted world into the new world, and then we just hit refresh and it should automatically realign and everything, and that should fix it. So we can cross this off here now, and now we have Creative Maze 2, which is the new world that you've just created. So you create a new world and then you replace the region data of the new world with this, and now we have our build back. So we've got our whole temple, and every block that we've changed in the game is now restored. So even the command blocks with commands in. So if I run over this area here, it'll still spawn in zombies from a map that I'm working on right now. And it will save everything that you've built and put it into a new world. So this is a great way of restoring builds that you've lost due to a corrupted world. Anyway, that's how you get back corrupted world builds. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.